Good morning! Good morning, guys! Cha-cha! Good morning! Nak! Good morning, Cha-cha! Hi, Cha-cha! Good morning! Did you eat na? So, today is chill day for Cha-cha. Walang ganap si Cha-cha. That you want? What are you doing? You love your pacifier? No? Cha-cha! 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 What's that? Cha-cha? Ano yun? What is it? Ano nandun sa ilalim? Ano yun? Good morning, guys. Cha-cha, good morning. Anak, good morning, Cha-cha. So, hi, Cha-cha, good morning. Did you eat na? So, today is chill day for Cha-cha. What are you playing? What is it? Let's see. Let's check your ears, anak. Let's check your ears. No scratching, please. Si Cha-cha, kakascratch ng ears. May sugat ang tenga. We'll put the cone. You want to put the cone? You want to put the cone? Cha, you want to put the cone? If you don't want to put the cone, stop scratching. Okay? You want to put the cone? Here. Yan. Cha-cha, eat your food. Eat your food na, anak. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's eat. It's just Cha-cha's food. Vitality, dog food. So guys, this is what we put on the dog food. Yan. So, ito yung recommend ng vet kasi it's hypoallergenic. Saan ba nakalagay? Ayan. So, yan yung recommended kay Cha-cha. Hypoallergenic na food. So, nagpalit si Cha-cha ng dog food pati yung mini-mix. Yan. Kasi meron siyang mga allergies. Yan. Do you love this? Do you love this? Do you love this, Cha-cha? Ay, sus! Cha-cha loves the food. Look. Okay. You go eat. Eat na, eat. Your food. Yan. So, after eating, Cha-cha naman will eat Dentasticks. And chinuchew niya itong Dentasticks. So, para saan itong Dentasticks? Yan. Daily health, it reduce tartar build-up. Ayan, actually, kapag, since hindi lagi natututbrushan yung aso, mahirap magtutbrushan si Matcha. Every day, 1 stick siya per day ng Dentasticks. But minsan, twice, because Chacha really loves this. Yan, parang ginagawa, pag bored siya, nangihingi siya ng Dentasticks. Favorite niya yun eh. Anak, favorite mo to? You love Dentasticks? You want some Dentasticks? You want, baby? Yan. Every morning, or pagkatapos niya kumain. Actually, nandito sa left side, makikita nyo kung anong klaseng Dentasticks yung bibilhin nyo. So, si Chacha ay within the range, itong timbang niya. So, ito yung best para sa kanya. Meron ding mas malaki for 10 or 11 to 25 kilogram na dog. So, ayan. For fresh breath. Do you love this, baby girl? You want Dentasticks? You want Dentasticks? Okay, behave ha. Behave para you will get your Dentasticks. This is your favorite, right? Correct? Smell it? Okay. What else? Sheesh. Ano pa ba ang mga pinapakain natin kay Chacha? So, pag merienda or ano lang, for merienda, and ito, maganda tong pang tray ng dog, yung mga treats like this. This is a biscuit. Bawaw yung tatak niya. So, ayan yung flavor. Cheese, melon, apple, and milk. So, para na rin siya nagba-vitamins kasi yun yung flavor ng food. So, favorite din to ni Chacha. Buksan natin. Do you love this, Chacha? Do you want this? You want? You want? Okay, behave ha. Behave, please. Sit, please. Sit, sit. Okay. Okay, behave. Ayan. Iniiwan ko lang dyan. Kainin na lang niya yan mamaya.
ball. Oh, ayaw mo naman bigay. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Ayan. Dinidikit-dikit mo naman sa bako. Sabihin yan.
Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na sira tong throw pillow case because sino pa ba ang may gawa nito? Syempre si Chacha. Kung mapakita. Pero hindi na siya mazip. Ayan. Ayusin na lang natin yan. So, palitan natin siya ng color green. Palitan natin ito. Yan yung cortina. So, match sila. Okay. We'll update you later. But for today, look at Chacha. Ayan. Tatanggal na ng cortina. Chacha, behave. Behave. So guys, it's already 11:45 in the afternoon. So, si Chacha and si John, tulog na sila. Siesta time na. So, si John naman galing sa work. I mean, he's working from home, but working graveyard. So, he's already sleeping. Tinabihan na siya ni Chacha. Part yun ng routine nila actually. Chacha will wake up later. Kasabay ni John siguro mga around 4 in the afternoon. 4 or 5 in the afternoon. Then, after a couple of hours, John will sleep again. And when he wakes up, shift na niya. So, ayun. So, for today, since it's quiet time, tapos na yung naglilinis, malinis na rin yung bahay, nakakain na rin ako ng lunch. So, it's my time naman. It's my quiet time with the Lord. So, magde-devotion tayo today. Hi guys! So, ayun. Ko na update kanina pagkatapos ko mag-devotion, natulog ako, then after 2 to 3 hours, I think mga around 3:30 I woke up, tapos naligo, then like around 5:30 pumunta na ako sa church. I just got home. Pag uwi ko, kumain na ako. Then si Chacha kumain na. Chacha, hey Cha! Cha! Yan, si Chacha busog na to. Nakakain na siya. Kumain na siya. Sabay kami actually. Kumain siya. Then, dumumi agad. Nagwiwi. Cha, go. Actually, that's one thing that's good about Chacha. Siguro nasa lahi rin niya. Napaka-bilis mong malalaman yung routine because just like for Chacha, after kumain, mabilis talaga. Like, hindi bibilang ng 30 minutes. Chacha will leave to poop and magbiwiwi. Ayan. So, we'll wrap up. Actually, if you're wondering, nasan ako ngayon? Nandito ako sa office room. Yan, nandito ako sa office room. May problem kasi yung ano namin, yung ilaw namin sa kwarto namin, sa kwarto namin mag-asawa. Walang ilaw yung galing mismo sa main, kung saan nandun yung ilaw namin, yung sa ceiling. Yun, so walang dumadaloy ng kuryente. So tomorrow, kailangan siyang gawin. I already asked someone to fix it. So, ayun. Ang nandun lang is actually, I've been using the side table lamp. Ayun. So, ayun. Yun lang guys. So, I just want to close this vlog by saying good night. Thank you for watching, and I hope na-enjoy niyo yung vlog for today, seeing how our daily morning look like here at home, and also yung daily morning, actually not just morning but all throughout the day, kung ano yung routine ni Chacha. So ayun, so just continue liking, sharing, and please subscribe to our channel, to me and our Chacha's channel, if you would like to see more vlogs. What kind of vlogs do you want to see with Chacha, of course, on it? Just comment down below on the, and yun, hisikapin namin yung magawa ni Chacha for sure. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you and have a good night. Bye.